Hello, everyone, and welcome to Enjoy Learning English. This is a calm and friendly place to learn English. My name is Jane. I am very happy you are here today.
Hello, Jane. Hello to all our friends listening. I am Mark. I feel very relaxed today. I am happy to learn English with you.
Thank you, Mark. I feel calm too. I like these quiet moments. Learning English can be slow and peaceful.
Yes, English does not need to be stressful. We can learn step by step, slowly, one word at a time.
Exactly. And today we have a very useful topic, a real-life topic, something many people need.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Jane, what is today's topic?
Today we will talk about airport English, from check-in to boarding, simple English, real conversations.
Airport English. I like that. Airports can be scary. Many people feel nervous there.
Yes, new place, new people, English everywhere. But do not worry, we are here to help.
Yes, friends, relax. Take a deep breath. You can do this.
Before we start, please do one small thing for us.
Yes, if you enjoy this video, please like it.
And subscribe to Enjoy Learning English. We learn English together every week.
And share this video with a friend. Learning together is better.
Okay, now let's begin.
Jane, imagine this. I am at the airport. I have my bag. I feel nervous.
That is normal, Mark. Many people feel nervous. So let's start at the beginning. The first place is check-in.
Check-in. That is when I give my bag, right?
Yes, check-in is when you talk to the airline worker. You give your passport, you give your ticket.
Okay. What does the worker say?
The worker may say, "Hello, may I see your passport, please?"
May I see your passport, please? That sounds polite.
Yes, English at the airport is polite and simple. Now repeat with me, slowly.
May I see your passport, please?
Very good. And you can answer, "Here you are."
Here you are. That is easy.
Yes, simple words are powerful.
What if they ask about my bag?
They may ask, "Do you have any bags to check in?"
Bags to check in. That means big bags.
Correct. And you can say, "Yes, I have one bag," or "No, I have only hand luggage."
Hand luggage. The small bag.
Yes, very good.
Jean, what about the seat?
Good question. They may ask, "Do you want a window seat or an aisle seat?"
Window seat. Aisle seat.
Yes, window is near the window. Aisle is near the walking path.
I like the window seat. I can see the sky.
That is nice. So you can say, "I would like a window seat, please."
I would like a window seat, please.
Perfect. You are doing great.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
That is our goal. Confidence, not perfection.
Okay, what is next after check-in?
Next is security. Security check.
Ah, yes. Shoes, belt, bag.
Yes. At security, people may say, "Please put your bag on the belt."
Put your bag on the belt.
Good. They may also say, "Please take off your shoes."
Please take off your shoes.
And you can say, "Okay," or "Yes."
Very simple.
Yes. Airport English is often short and clear.
Jane, sometimes people speak fast.
That is true, but you can ask them to repeat.
How do I say that?
You can say, "Sorry, can you repeat that, please?
Sorry, can you repeat that, please?
Very good. Or, sorry, I don't understand.
That is helpful. I feel less scared now.
Good. Remember, it is okay to ask.
Okay. What happens after security?
After security, you go to the departure gate.
The gate, like gate 12.
Yes. You look at the screen, you find your flight number.
Flight number, like AB123.
Exactly. And sometimes the gate changes.
That sounds confusing.
It can be, but listen for announcements.
What do they say?
They may say, "Attention, please, the gate has changed."
The gate has changed.
Yes. Then you check the screen again.
Okay. And boarding?
Yes. Now we talk about boarding.
Boarding means getting on the plane.
Correct. They may say, "We are now boarding."
We are now boarding.
They may also say, "Please have your boarding pass ready."
Boarding pass ready.
Yes, your boarding pass is very important.
I keep it safe.
Good idea.
Jane, can we practice a small dialogue?
Of course. Let's practice together.
Hello. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you very much.
Excellent. That was perfect.
I feel proud.
You should. Learning English takes time, and you are doing it.
Jane, do you have tips for learning English?
Yes. Simple habits.
I like simple.
Listen every day. Just 10 minutes.
10 minutes is easy.
Repeat words. Say them out loud.
Like airport, boarding, passport.
Yes, and be kind to yourself.
That is important.
Now let's review.
Okay.
First, check-in. Passport, ticket, bag.
Second, security. Shoes, bag, belt.
Third, gate. Screen, flight number.
Fourth, boarding. Boarding pass. Get on the plane.
Very good.
I feel ready for the airport now.
That makes me very happy.
Jane, can we ask our listeners a question?
Yes. Friends, please tell us in the comments.
Have you been to an airport before?
Or is this your first time?
And please comment your country.
We love reading your comments.
Before we go, please like and subscribe.
You are always welcome at Enjoy Learning English.
We are here every week.
Slow English.
Simple English.
Friendly English.
Thank you for listening.
Take care.
Have a safe journey.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.